Blends with Friends days again, and today I'm going to be talking about a starter kit oil. It is Citrus Fresh. This is a blend with many of our citruses and a little bit of spearmint, so the aroma is gorgeous. Those citruses mixed with that mint is amazing. I love this in the diffuser. It's really uplifting and helps inspire creativity and positivity. So think classrooms, office space, or just like when you're getting ready in the morning. It's really great, amazing for that. Happy oil. I love this in my water to kick up that flavor. It has a lot of antioxidant and cleansing properties, so it's really great at flushing out toxins. It's really just healthy and awakening for your cells. This one is great in marinades or mix it in like a fruit bowl. It tastes so good. You could also put this in on like wool dryer balls and replace those toxic dryer sheets, because toxic dryer sheets are super bad for your health. So this is great for that instead.